Today's topic for discussion is botanical name, family and economic importance of turmeric, aloe vera, ashwagandha and nirgudi. Let us see the details. This is the photograph of turmeric. Its botanical name is Curcuma longa and its family is Ginziberaceae. Let us see the economic importance of turmeric. Turmeric is very common ingredient of Indian kitchen. It is used as a common spice. It is a spice. Turmeric is used as an antiseptic in India since ancient times. It is widely used in dye, drug and cosmetic industries. Turmeric possesses anti-inflammatory properties. And turmeric powder is applied over fresh wounds as an antiseptic ingredient. Turmeric is used as pain reliever. There are reports of use of turmeric for improvement of liver function. Next, this is the photograph of nirgudi. It is commonly called as nirgudi and its botanical name is Vitex nigundo. The family of this plant is Lamiaceae. Let us see the economic importance of Vitex nigundo. It is important medicinal plant and it is very commonly grown. It is a wild plant in India and it occurs on open places and it possesses several medicinal properties. It possesses anti-inflammatory property. It is used against ear pain. To avoid the ear pain, the leaves are boiled in mustard oil and oil is then filtered and used as an ear drop. That has been reported by Bhagat Ram Kangra from Himachal Pradesh. One more botanist, Arun Ghosh from West Bengal, he has used this plant against obesity. He has recommended a spoonful of juice extracted from the leaves is taken orally every day against obesity. And one more botanist, that is Sushanta Kumar from West Bengal, reported this plant against diabetes. And he has suggested that equal amount of leaves of Vitex, neem and Catharanthus rosaceus are ground together and the tablets are prepared from the paste and 2 tablets are administered orally in the morning on an empty stomach. This remedy has suggested against diabetics by Sushanta Kumar. And one more scientist from Solapur, Maharashtra, Nagnath Durga, he has reported the use of Vitex nigundo against rheumatism. According to him, lukewarm leaves are put on the aching joints. Next, the Savita Kumari from Bihar, she has used this plant against muscular pain. Leaves are smeared with mustard oil, lukewarmed and applied on the affected part. That can relieve muscular pain according to Savita Kumari. And several uses of this plant several uses are recommended from several parts of India and according to some authors, this plant is used against skin diseases and in that small pieces of plant mixed with cow urine are applied over the affected skin. Next, this is one more medicinal plant which is known as aloe vera. It is a botanical name, aloe vera, and aloe it is a common name, or ghee koar plant it is also one of the vernacular name. and family of this plant is Liliaceae. Let us see the economic importance. The leaf pulp is given in fever, enlargement of liver, spleen, enlargement of spleen and other glands. And it is used as an ingredient in preparation of best quality cosmetics. Aloe vera is used in preparation of hair oil. Aloe vera is given in gonorrhea, constipation, menstrual suppression, jaundice, piles and rheumatic affections. The leaf juice with honey is given in cough and cold. One leaf daily is given in abdominal tumors, piles, rheumatism and retention of urine in fevers. These are the economic uses of aloe vera. And the leaf juice of aloe vera is given to children to expel out ascaris. The paste of leaf is applied over tumors and cysts, and the leaves of aloe vera are used as remedy for various diseases. After removal of skin, they are given to persons suffering from fever and enlargement of the spleen, just I told you. Next, this is one more medicinal plant which is commonly called as ashwagandha. And recently this plant is cultivated for its medicinal value and its botanical name is Withania somnifera. Common name of this plant is ashwagandha and the family of this plant is Solanaceae. Let us see the details of economic importance of ashwagandha. It is the best tonic prescribed for all types of weakness. It relieves hand and limb tumors in elderly people. It promotes strength and vigor. Ashwagandha is an aphrodisiac and rejuvenator. It is used for treatment of rheumatic pain and inflammation of joints. The drug of this plant is useful in all types of nervous disorder. These are some economic importance of ashwagandha.